What's up, guys? Just gonna go over my trade today. Took two trades today. One win, one loss, then one win. Came out on the day with a profit of about 650. So pretty solid, pretty good ending to the week, if you ask me, considering how we started it off. So here I am, just like I'd always do, pre-market. Well, not yeah, pre-market. Just going through my chart, marking stuff out. Today I wanted longs, but I did end up taking a short down to London lows where I got stopped out because I wanted to see a retracement before we went long. Um, we'll get into that very soon, but we had, if we had been at the area where London lows were when market opened, I would have been cool to long right away, but we were already kind of retracing back down right before market opened before catching anything. So I was trying to catch the move down, which I don't normally do, so that was a bit dumb on my part, but I just had to catch the move down to the London lows before anything. So here's the trade I was talking about. You see about a 5 minute gap. We had NQ on the right moving. It was like the leader on the way down, so I was like, okay, ES the lighter one, let me see if I can catch the move down, as I wanted to see. We had a bunch of low resistance liquidity there, so I was looking for something. So yeah, here, once this candle closed off, was it now? It was now, yeah, look. Oh, that went on the wrong one, but I shorted on ES right here. Stops at the highs, right at the lows, and if you see on NQ on the right side, we did go down, so I got stopped out here for a small loss of like 240 or something, which is what it is. Um, I probably shouldn't have taken it, but I should have probably only taken the second trade I took, which was a winner. But because we didn't sweep out London on ES, we did create an SMT, which did help me a lot on the second trade, which was one of the key reasons for me to even take the second trade. So I'm grateful for that, but I just got to work on the patience because that's just too many little mistakes, those add up. So I got to be patient. Like, this was early into market open, not really my model. I should have just been a bit more patient. So we'll see here. It goes up, down, but I do get stopped out eventually. So you'll see right here. Now I start looking on NQ. Now you see we held that gap, but that's the gap I ended up entering off of to go long afterwards when it got inversed. So, because overall I'm bullish. Like, we're at all-time highs. There's no real reason to be short right now. So that's probably another reason why I shouldn't have taken it, as it's not really the most ideal scenario to be going short when we're at all-time highs. Just keep going bullish until the world gives us a reason not to be. Like, if we just went short every time we were at all-time highs, we would never go anywhere. So we just got to keep going up, which I think we're going to keep on doing. So here now, I get stopped. Yeah, right there, and now we'll get into the other trade I took, the winner. I tried to go in with 5 contracts, but I ended up going in with 15 on accident. There it is. I clicked plus 15, so I had to like place a limit, which I took out like $300 of the position right here. On this one, the thought process was pretty simple. We had swept out London low on NQ. ES didn't, creating an SMT. Overall order flow was bullish. I went aggressively. I entered off a breaker structure and an inverse fair value gap, that gap from before. You see, the minute it got pushed through, I entered. And even though NQ was the laggard, it still gave me a decent RR and went all the way up and hit full TP, so I'm pretty happy with that. But I'm just trying to cut down on these little mistakes that I've been making, that have been taking at losses at some of my profits, like that first trade I took today, like the second trade is the one I really wanted for the day, and if I was just patient, I would have left the day with more profit. So we learn to get better, but here we are. Um, yeah, once ES hit it, I was like, okay, probably gonna continue up for the day. So even though NQ is like not there yet, we'll get there eventually, which we did. It did go pretty fast. I think by like by 10 o'clock I was off the charts. So I was happy with that. Good day. I'm not sure I'm gonna trade tomorrow. I have to see the news, but we might. I have to see what goes on. So yeah, really just patience what I need to work on. It's a bit unfortunate that it's a problem I keep on having, and it's a problem that I can easily fix. So I'm really just gonna have to do some work off the charts to help me with that patience. Because I'm like scared to miss a move, which isn't good. So sometimes I tend to be a bit aggressive, like I was on the first trade today. So I really gotta work on that because my model works. So I just gotta keep using it, but use it when it presents itself, not use it when I'm scared to miss a move. Like I was thinking, oh, that's free money if I just short it to the lows because that's where I want it to go. That's where I think it's gonna go. But look, we got SMT'd, so it didn't end up playing out in my favor. So, and I'm happy it didn't hit because I get to learn from that. Like if it hit, I would have been like, and then I got this one on top of it, I would have been like, oh my god, I'm such a good trader, boom boom, it would have got to me. Where now that I lost, I'm happy because now I know that I gotta be better, I gotta be doing better, and here, close full TP. I hit about 310 off the position right away because I was in for way too much. So this total win brought me up to like 930, I think, on the day. So not on the day, on this one trade, where the other one brought me to about 650. So that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.